Hey bros, it's your boy Psychic Douche here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be discussing and giving an example on how to properly clean your vinyls. But before we proceed any further, make sure you give this video a dislike, hit the subscribe button, and hit the little bell to be notified with all the bullshit that goes on here. So you're probably wondering, hey douche, how do I clean my records? Well, it's easy. Let's start with something that you have little to no interest in, okay? So the other day I went into the Minty Thrifty store and I found this Gandalf. I have no idea what this is. It looks like some kind of hippy-dippy shit, you know? I'd rather prefer like the Shondells any day over this crap. So, you know, according to my grading perception, looking at the album cover and, you know, not just the cover. I mean, we're not here to clean the covers, you moron. You know, we're here to clean this record, and according to my calculations, you know, my grading perception, I would call this like a G grading. You know, can't play at all. Nasty scuffs, a few strands of dandruff, possibly cat urine. It's very apparent to me. Very apparent to me. In today's example, we are going to upgrade this copy to a VG Plus, people. VG Plus, don't ask. I know what I'm doing. Just watch and see for yourselves. Now that we have our test sample record, let's visit our workstation. Come on.
The bathtub, of course. What else did you expect me to clean it with? Glass cleaner?
Glass cleaner. I use glass cleaner to clean my vinyl. It works. My records sound great.
No! Are you crazy? Let the pros show you how to do this, bro. All you need is dish soap, preferably a sponge, and a bathtub. That's all you need. That's all the three key ingredients that you need for this to work.
Okay, obviously when you're doing this in the bathtub, you want to have a plug to keep the water in. And speaking of plugs, make sure you hit the dislike button, hit the subscribe button as well, and hit the bell while you're at it. Okay, now that we have some Gandalf action here, this shitty ass record, all these scuffs and cat piss on it, we are gonna set this in the tub, and just to make sure there are no tricks, no illusions going on. This is the real deal. Placing it in the tub. Just to soak all that shit out of there. All the grime, all the weed, everything in it, everything about it. Just get all that grime off and just throw it in the tub. Then we'll just be applying some Dawn Dish soap here. Get it all in the grooves there. Nice and pretty. Get your sponge. Dab just a little bit. And then we want to have this soaking for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes roughly, and let's see how this works out here. Get all these nasty grooves and just getting your frustration in the grooves! All that anger! Just get it out! Well, alright, let's just see what it looks like after 5 minutes sitting in the tub.
A few moments later.
Well, alright then, let's just shake this off and see what this looks like here. Huh! Would you look at that? I think we have ourselves a $1,000 record here, people. VG++. In the shrink wrap. Wow. Even looks better like with my shades on. Like I don't see any scuffs or anything. Wow. Now that is a life hack lesson for you people. This is the real deal. This is how you clean a vinyl record. Whew. About wraps it up, guys. So thanks for tuning in again. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm not asking for much. I'm not asking for that much, okay? Don't think I am, okay? Please don't. Also, shout out to my boy Vinyl Rewind for promoting this video. And he's a great guy. I mean, we're gonna have some fantastic scripted videos coming out this year. Very excited about it. So, signing off, Psychic Douche here, and I hope you learned a lesson from this video. That, you know, don't take people seriously for who they are. Y'all, I'm out. Latro. Okay, now we're just going to gently place our Gandalf in the tub. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, it was the real Gandalf. No! Oh!